Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner. So my catch-all is called The Botanicals, and we are going to be planning for the week of February 19th through the 25th. Super excited about this one. So I have purchased brand new stickers from Crafty Planner Queen. This is my first time ever using her stickers. They are printable. I am beyond excited. This is her $2 Tuesday club, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and start creating a spread with these. These are just gorgeous. And if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I am so excited. And here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing these little boxes here. So the tiny ones are for my work schedule, and of course the bigger ones are for daily events. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start placing the boxes first, and then we'll decorate all around it. I think that might be the best way to go about this. So again, the small ones are my work schedule. It's kind of necessary. I keep my work hours kind of calculated, so we'll go from there. Like so. Okay, let's add this beautiful girl. You guys, she really has such awesome stickers. I just wanted to make sure that those are incorporated in my planner. And I did purchase a couple more items from her too, so you might be seeing those in the near future. Okay, all the boxes because I need them. So then right there. And then I just need event boxes for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that shouldn't be too bad. Okay. So the pages I printed, I sized them 5 by 7, not quite, like 4.8 by 6.8, I think it was, or 6 point something. So that's the stickers that I printed. That's the size I wanted, so they actually show up in my planner quite large. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful candle because I am a huge candle lover. I don't know if you guys are too. My collection is quite extensive and I enjoy it. And of course, every Christmas and birthday, that also multiplies, which is fantastic. So here we go. Butterflies appear when angels are near. It's such a beautiful quote. I'm gonna see like how much I can fill in with one sheet or even maybe 1.5 sheets. So let's see. I love this jar as well. So let's go ahead and bring the same butterflies right there, and I'm placing it slightly tilted. I think it has like a better look that way. So I'm just playing with things I really enjoy and adding them. So I'm adding another candle of a different style up there. Like, look how cute these are. Okay, what else? How about if we add, I'm just thinking about it. Okay, this coffee tea mug, I think that looks good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and of course add some bullet points or checklists because that is necessary for me to proceed. So I just pulled out Mojo Jojo Plans, her Check It Off, and I'm just gonna use these little black guys up here. Like they're the half Not quite, they're a little bit more than half because normal one is 5, this is 3. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I think that is good. And I'm gonna kind of alternate them and have fun with it. Let's see how that turns out. It might look a little different. I don't want all of my tasks to be like kind of cluttered at the top. So again, I'm just doing 3 a day, you guys. This is working so far. And I am getting things done. So there's that. And then the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and add the other 4. And again, we're gonna alternate. So some of them will be on the bottom, some of them will be on the top. And I think that variety really does make a difference for me. And I did think about adding color into this spread, like using maybe blue checklist or something. But I think I want those stickers to stand out quite a bit because I do like them so much. So I just decided to do black and kind of have the colors pop by themselves. Isn't this like such a beautiful collection? So now we just need to add a couple more things, a few quotes, few little trinkets, and we should be all set. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this record player on Monday. I do have a record player in my house and I do have records, so I do enjoy that kind of old style. I don't know why, but I do. I'm gonna lower this back so I can incorporate this lovely piece of wood like so. Is it like, what is this? I don't know, but it's so pretty. And then the other thing I want to incorporate is this really, really pretty quote. Spread your wings, of course. And let's see. I think, I don't know. Should I add anything else? Is this ready? I'm just gonna add Spread Your Wings because that's what this collection is called, and the Crafty Planner Queen, so I know where it's from. Whenever I have these, like, I just include them so I don't have to write it out. I'm just gonna correct that. And you guys, I'm all done with this. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. Let me know what you think because I am in love with this one. And I think it turned out so good. Let me know if you have this collection too, and if so, if you used it already. And I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for hanging out and have a great week ahead. Bye.